judge, ladies and gentlemen. Damas y caballeros, pakita mano con Ray Mike Maghina.
And to complete our set of judges, a licensed professional teacher, a MIP Inspector 3, an engineering FOCAL NMIS RTO C9, a trained autistic gentleman. Let us give a warm round of applause to Mark Peter Cortino.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our judges for the Aton La Parilla. With that, at this juncture, damas y caballeros, let us all put our hands together for a message coming from the City Mayor of Zamboanga, Mayor John Felipe.
SK National President, Councilor CJ Galibet, Colonel Diaton City Director, Police Colonel Kimberly Moritat, Colonel Diaton Corting Andres, Colonel Diaton South Festival 2024, palakpakan kita. So esta noche bien alegre kita para conducir otra vez este Diaton 14 entries. I'd like to acknowledge one by one from Boy Natividad Lechon, palakpakan kita. Prince Lechon, Juanitos Lechon, Chings Lechon, Boalans Lechon, Romeos Lechon. Miles de gracias kung nagdiyato mga entries kanya participa. Esta Señora La Virgen del Pilar.
Thank you very much, Mayor. Support natin kadali ito po na ni ating mga lechoneros aquí na Ciudad de Zamboanga.
At this juncture, we would like to...
Thank you, ma'am. Honorable John Daliti, Congressman Manix Daliti, the National President, Honorable C.P. Daliti, Colonel Moritas, honored guests, judges, listeners to Zamboanga, my colleagues in the government service, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. As we wrap up, a special thanks to Honorable John Daliti for his unwavering support, not only on this activity, but also to all activities. To our talented chiefs and volunteers who work tirelessly to prepare and showcase the incredible. Let's carry the spirit of togetherness and celebration beyond today. To seeing you all next year for another and when we return to our respective home, we will arrive safe sa Panginoon ng Virgen del Pilar, may Jesus Christ our God, and Savior of this as always. Thank you and again good evening.
Thank you very much, Dr. Arcadio Palan and acting City Veterinary Hernandez Ciudad de Zamboanga. Sure that we will continue working together para ang staff and community and gamit ang ginagawa ng lechoneros. And this the order of juiciness 20%.
Taste and flavor, 25%.
Sanitation and hygiene 50%. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we like to thank our judges. You please prepare the